Alright, hello guys. Welcome to my little tutorial series on how to build an achievement system in Unity. So the first thing I want to show you is an example of the system working in somewhat of a production project that I just recently finished. So for starters, I have this little achievement screen to list all the achievements, and then if I go ahead and play and get the question correct, the achievements get unlocked and I get a little notification. And if I go back to the screen, you can see they're unlocked. Now, what we're actually going to be building is something a bit more simple, but the system works in the exact same way. So, if I hit play here, this is what we're going to get. We're going to get a list of all the achievements, titles, descriptions. Then we'll be able to choose whichever achievement we want and hit unlock. We'll get a cool little unlock or notification, and then as you can see, the achievement will unlock. Now, the cool part about this system is that if you notice, I have all these achievements, and all I have to do to add new ones is simply go into this achievement database that I created and start adding in new achievements. So let's add some new achievements. Cool. Let's call this one cool achievement. Super duper cool achievement. Um, old achievement. Super old achievement. And this can be customized however you want. Um, next thing we need to do is hit generate enum or enum, however you want to pronounce it. When I hit play, as soon as it compiles, as you can see, the new achievements are now showing up here as well as up here. And I can again hit unlock, unlock, etc. And even cooler, if I actually go back and then say I want this last achievement to be the very first one, I can drag it to the top, generate my enum, wait for the script to compile, hit play, and the super old achievement is now at the top. This also gets automatically updated, and everything is nice and ready for you to work on. And again, because of the way this system is set up, it's very easy to unlock the achievements in scripts. So for example, if I pull up the script, I can unlock some achievement code here. I can reference the achievements through a enum that gets automatically generated, and their order and index matches the exact order and index of the achievements in the database, so you can easily reference them using enums. And benefits of, so for example, I can do achievements dot the best one yet. And the benefits of it doing it this way over some of the other systems that I've seen is that, for example, um, some systems use it where you can pass in an actual index. Other systems you can pass in a string that will look up in a dictionary and pull out the right achievement. The problem is, if for some reason you need to change the order of your achievements, or if you change the name of the achievement or change the ID, this will no longer work. However, the code will still execute and you won't get any sort of errors. And you won't know this until the game is already run and you actually execute this code. With this system, if for example I go back into my database and I changed, which one was that? The best one yet. If I change this to the best one yet, I don't know, just something different, and I hit generate, in a second here you'll see I get an immediate error. It won't even let me play until the error is compiled because this one no longer exists. So if I do the best one yet, now we're fixed. And we can keep going with, as soon as it compiles, you'll see it will go away. And we're good to go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.